Alright, your kids bring home a super cute school project. You want to display it, but you really don't want to set it on a table, or in this case my countertop, because I don't want to scratch it. I've got a solution for that right now. So I just put a towel in a bowl, and I'm just going to turn this guy upside down. We're going to get these little, they look like little silicone pads. They do have stickers. They do have a sticky side on them, but I don't know how well it's going to stick here, so I'm going to reinforce this a little bit. So I'll put a link in the description to all the stuff I'm using. So I'm going to get a little rubber cement. I'm going to put a little dab in one spot. Let that air dry for a second, and let's take one of our little silicone pads. It is sticky, but I don't know how long it would stick to this, so I'm just going to let that air dry a little bit, and then we'll just place one of our little silicone feet on there. We're going to do the same thing for this little ceramic octopus. I'm going to do 3. I think that's all I'm really going to need. So I'm just going to, basically, I'm just reinforcing the adhesive. So I'll stick another one, let that air dry for a couple seconds. And again, I'm using rubber cement and these little silicone pads. Alright. That's all you need to do. This is all solvent-based adhesive, by the way, so that's going to dry super fast. In fact, you can probably go ahead and let that air dry while it's nice and flat. There you go. It won't scratch your counter, or if you want to set it on a table, you don't have to worry about scratching anything. So go ahead and display your kids' art with pride. Thanks for watching. Check out the description for more information and hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more videos.